GainzAlgo's Smart Money Structure is designed to make smart money analysis more readable by bringing structure, trend, momentum, and volume into one chart view. Rather than treating market structure as a standalone concept, it frames it inside a broader workflow, so the chart is not only showing where price has shifted, but also whether that shift has enough support behind it to matter. At the center of the indicator is the way it handles structure. It marks change of character and break of structure directly on the chart, which helps separate potential reversals from continuation moves. These levels are built from pivot highs and lows, then confirmed by the way price moves through those areas. Once they appear, they remain visible as color-coded levels and zones, so you are not just reacting to a label in the moment. You are also able to watch how price behaves when it returns to that area later. That gives the chart more continuity and makes the structure easier to follow from one phase to the next. What gives the indicator more depth is the amount of filtering behind the signals. It is not simply marking every break in price. The signal logic checks momentum, trend direction on other timeframes, lower timeframe conflict, volume conditions, breakout confirmation, and repeated signal control. The result is that the buy, sell, and ready labels are meant to be more selective than a basic structure tool. And that matters because smart money concepts can become noisy when every minor shift is treated as equally important. Here, the chart is trying to narrow the focus to moves that are supported by more than one condition at the same time. Another important part of the indicator is its multi-timeframe trend model. It evaluates alignment across 7 timeframes, from 1 minute through to daily, using EMA and vwap positioning, then converts that into a broader trend strength reading and a confidence score. That information is displayed in the dashboard, which means the structure on the current chart is constantly being measured against the wider directional picture. When more of those timeframes are aligned, the trend reading strengthens. When they begin to conflict, the dashboard reflects that as well. This gives the indicator a broader decision framework, rather than leaving structure to be read in isolation. The script also adds extra tools around the core structure model. It includes cumulative volume logic, optional liquidity zone detection, divergence scanning, dynamic trend lines, and a separate trend matrix. That makes the chart feel less like a single-purpose indicator and more like a full smart money workspace. Volume is not only shown as a basic bar reading, it is interpreted through cumulative pressure. Liquidity areas can be highlighted, divergence can be flagged, and the trend matrix adds another layer of directional context across different intervals. Together, those elements give more depth to the structure signals already on the chart. In practice, GainzAlgo's Smart Money Structure is less about finding one perfect trigger and more about organizing the chart so that structure can be read with context. It helps show whether reversal or continuation signals are appearing with trend alignment, volume support, and broader confirmation behind them. When those elements begin to agree, the chart becomes easier to interpret. When they do not, the indicator can be just as useful for showing that the market may still be mixed. The main benefit here is not just marking structure, but showing that structure with added context. That makes it easier to judge whether a move is developing with support behind it or still lacks confirmation.